Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatma Karman. Welcome to Cook with Adam Family. Today we are going to make wings. So let's get started. So I've already made the wings masala. So now we have to coat this with maida. With flour. So first coat. I'm going to dip in water. After dipping in water, again. After coating the chicken in flour, we have to fry this in oil. How much time? 10 to 15 minutes. So now it's ready. You can see this is so good. You can see so crispy. Now it's ready. Ta-da! So let me taste it. So good. Try this and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz. I will come back soon.